Now, this situation with the members of the Dinthill Technical High School, the Costa Cup football team, accused of physically attacking the referee at the end of a recent game. Not even the Maverick can find a way to be lenient on this one. Lots of things have happened over several years in schoolboy football, but never have we seen schoolboy players attacking and basically assaulting a referee. Already, the school has acted by suspending 3 members of the team from school, with 1 boy banned from taking any further part in any extracurricular activities, including football, for the rest of the season. Now, separate and apart from that, the Inter-Secondary School Sports Association, ISA, is set to take action in coming days. And look, we must be wary and try not to overreact. Do not create a mountain out of a molehill or use a sledgehammer to kill an ant. But this is not an ant. This needs a sledgehammer. This needs a sledgehammer. What's the sledgehammer? We need a sledgehammer.